So, Dano, getting an operated box.
Yep.
Long gears.
Yep.
Getting bored from the short gears.
It's to cover long distances. Alright. Lightning action.
Muscle man, muscle man.
I don't wanna get my clothes dirty. Let's go.
Bro, really?
So, Fawaka YouTube, Dano here. So sorry for not uploading any new videos lately. I've been pretty busy. But I'm here to give you guys a few updates. So last night, Arya overheated and I was doing a few pulls. And the fan, it didn't seem to be working. So right now I'm busy with that. The fan does seem to be okay. I mean, I connected the battery and it does seem to work, so I need to find out why it didn't go on when temperature started to climb. But yeah, more about that. I finally got a new battery because my old one finally died. What else? Oh, and last night I got a few parts. I got the rear shock absorber from the Honda EG, because that one, as you guys know, that was slammed. It only had one, and so I got this one from a friend, Ernesto. So yeah, I want to thank Ernesto for providing this rear shock absorber for the EG, and I also want to thank Jaden for providing this K-tune shifter. I really don't know how to install this, but we'll figure it out eventually. So yeah, and also bought a S40 gearbox for Arya. So what I'm planning to do, this one is a longer gear. This is the S40. So I'm planning to swap this into Arya, and the one that is in Arya right now is going on EG. So the EG is going to be manual swap. I don't know when yet. I still don't have time to run over this. But yeah, longer gears. The one that is on Arya right now is short gears. So yeah, we're running a bit longer gears on Arya. So that's why I bought this guy. And let me show you guys real quick what I'm doing right now. So yeah, I did get a new battery because mine is completely dead. Finally got a new battery after a year or so. So yeah, what seems to be going on is when I pull off the switch of the fans and connect it directly to the battery, it does seem to turn. So I think maybe a relay or something is not working underneath. So I have to pull off the front bumper and check it out. So yeah, but I really hope my car is okay, because last night it was overheated. The water was spraying out of the radiator, and so yeah, I really do hope the engine is okay, the engine itself. But yeah, let's do this. Alright, so got the bumper off. So guys, it's getting pretty dark, and I think I will be continuing to work on the car, maybe inside, but I won't be able to film because my camera cannot pick up very dark scenes. But I do want to get ready for upcoming Saturday, which is going to be there's going to be a test and tune, and I hope to test my car, you know, the way it is right now. So I am getting ready for that. It's just so much. There's just so little time to do so much. So anyways, I will get back to you guys later. So yeah guys, I just brought my car inside the garage, so I worked on it, and turns out that my fan temperature, the fan switch, the temperature switch is busted, so it doesn't work. When I pull the plug out, that is over here. When I pull this plug out and I bridge this, and the fan seems to be working. So the one that goes on the thermostat here, the switch, the fan switch, is busted. This one is busted. So what I did, I installed a toggle switch here. So when I turn it on, my fan starts to spin. So it has, I wired it directly to the fan so that I can use this as a temporary solution. So I think I'm going to be ending the video here, guys. Tomorrow, or by the time this video uploads, I think it's going to be Saturday, and there is a car meet or test and tune by night being organized at the SMP drag strip, and I really want to participate, so I'm getting the car ready to go there. In one of my previous videos, I mentioned that the quarter-mile time of my car was 14.7, but that was not an official time. That time was based on the GPS app that I got on my phone, and that showed me a quarter-mile time of 14.7 seconds. So yeah, it's not an official time, but tomorrow there's going to be timing at the track, so I will see what the official quarter-mile time is of my car, and then I will compare that to my GPS. So yeah, so we'll see how accurate my GPS is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like if you liked it, and subscribe for the coming updates. As always, thanks for watching.